What's up YouTubes? Welcome to Hot Trades. My name is Blaze. So in this video I'll be looking at the key levels for rocket companies. Ticker symbol RKT. So if you're looking to trade or invest in Rocket during the upcoming week of December the 7th, these are the levels you should be watching or somewhat paying attention to. So yeah, let's get into it. So Rocket hasn't been doing all that great lately. So week to date Rocket is down 3%. Month to date Rocket is down 4.8%, and in the last 3 months Rocket is down 20%. So the company hasn't been doing all that great lately. But yeah, so these are the levels I'm watching. So for me, the most important level is this $20 level. There's a saying that history doesn't repeat itself, but it rhymes. So if we go back all the way to August the 18th, you can kind of get a picture of what I'm looking for Rocket. So back all the way back here, we broke above this $20 level, and then on the next candle we back tested the $20 level, and then we held it, and then we moved all the way higher from there. So that's what I'm hoping will happen to Rocket over here. So again, we need to break above the $20 level and back test it, hold it, and then move higher from there. So yeah, exactly, that's what I'm looking for here. Also, there's really no rush to get into this company, right? So because the reason I say that is because the last time we broke below this $20 level, we came back all the way down here to 1835, 1833. And then also over here, we broke below this level and we came back all the way down here to 1780. So there's really no rush to get into this company, right? There's really no need to catch a knife in this company just because we could go a lot lower. So the only level I'm really paying attention to is this $20 level. We need to break above the $20 level, and then on the next candle we need to hold this level, and then we could easily move all the way to the next resistance, which is this $23 level. So again, we need to get back above this $20 level, hold it, and then move higher. So those are the levels I'm watching. Again, there's really no rush to get into this company because if we fail to get back above this $20 level, we could easily get back, test the next support level, which is 1890, and if that breaks, we could come back all the way down to the next support level, which is 1780. So yeah, these are the levels I'm watching for Rocket for the upcoming week. That's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the content, please don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and if you have any questions about this company, let me know in the comment section and I'll do my best to help you.